It's the beginning of May in Toronto. The weather is sunny, warm, and all the flowers are blooming. The real estate market is becoming more balanced. There are a lot less bidding wars, and the price asked by the seller is often the price they expect to sell. So, can we get a freehold property with a budget of 1.1 million in Markham? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. Today, we will go to the southeast corner of Markham, Milliken, to find an affordable house. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's have a look at the surrounding. I already mentioned many times in my previous videos, a linked property on the surface looks like a detached home. There is no common wall with the neighbor, but they share the same foundation, so they are not attached but very close to each other. It's still better than a semi-detached because there is no party wall. The privacy is better protected. Today, the weather is very nice. We are located in a cul-de-sac. It's very safe for children because there is almost no traffic. The neighborhood is composed of semi-detached or linked houses. Let's have a look at this property. On the left of the entrance, there is a room. This room could be used as a living room or bedroom at the corner of the house with 2 windows. It seems that it was used as a 100 square feet bedroom. It's good for seniors because they can have their own bedroom on the first floor without climbing upstairs. Let's continue. And on the left, there is a renovated powder room. There is the stairs leading to the bedroom area. On the left, there is a kitchen with brown cabinets and quartz countertop. There is a kitchen island with a sink. The family room is connected to the kitchen. The area is not big, but the layout is very efficient without wasting any space. There is a sunroom with many skylights. This room is suitable as a family room in addition to the smaller one next to the kitchen. It looks very comfortable with a TV, and it's very bright with all the windows. Let's go to the second floor. Let's start from the left. The first bedroom is about 170 square feet facing the front street. There is a closet. The next room is about 100 square feet. Next is the renovated shared washroom. There is a sink and a combined bathtub shower. The next room is the master bedroom. It's about 200 square feet. The highlight of this house is the backyard. There is no neighbor. We have a community park with a hiking path. The view is very soothing. Let's have a look from this angle. There is a small makeup vanity and a walk-in closet. There's a door going to the washroom, but it's not exclusive to the master bedroom because there's another door accessible by all. At the end, let's have a look at the finished basement. There are a lot of pot lights. This room could be used as an entertainment area. It's pretty big, about 200 square feet. The windows are not connected outside, so we still need to turn on the lights during the day. There is an office area in the washer-dryer room, but no washroom down there. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.